Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today it's basically me showing you the wall frame that we are putting to this empty wall in my living room. So as you can see, we have already installed some of the frame and the one on the top, and now we are installing the one in the back. So as you can see right now, I just speed the video a little bit because it's too long. So after all the install, so now we have already did the primer yesterday. Sorry guys, I didn't film that. So right now I'm just doing the paint, and yeah, so the process was already done, and I didn't show you the cut of my frame. Sorry, I was having issue with my phone. So as you can see right now, I'm struggling with this paint because it's my first time painting, guys. So yeah, so far I love the process, and to install the wall frame, it's so easy, guys. The only difficult part that we had at the beginning, it was trying to figure out how to cut it. That was the struggle, but after that everything went so smooth. um yeah, the install was so smooth. But yeah, I will let you enjoy it, the video. And if you like more of this video, just subscribe to my channel to encourage me, and let me know what type of video do you want me to put on here, because this is the process of changing this house to our dream house, to our dream home, to make it our own. So yeah, so far we are loving the process. And yeah, my next video I will also show you our driveway, like the process of our driveway, how we are changing that as well. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Peace.